you guys can watch me do that. From now on, I'm going to just try and keep you guys as much up to date. This one's going to have a jack shaft on it. So I pretty much built up this shaft right here. It has its sprockets, mounts. And I'm just pretty much going to mount that in the back right there. Cut this shaft a bit short. And there's our jack shaft. Also, what I found is a set of these forks right here. I'm gonna pop these bad boys on. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit, paint them, get them looking nice. Then we're gonna have some front suspension. I was thinking put some sort of rear suspension, but I think I'm gonna save that for the next build. Yeah, we're gonna save that for the next build. How about that, guys? Stay tuned for that one. Jackshaft.